This presentation is an overview of the fundamentals of project management that will give you an idea of its 10 knowledge areas. Part 1. Project Integration Management. Remember, it does not mean that the knowledge described should be applied uniformly to all projects. This is guidance. The organization or the project management team is responsible for determining what is appropriate for any given project. A little bit of the basic. Project management is the application of knowledge, skills, tools and techniques to meet or exceed stakeholder needs and expectations from the project. It involves competing demands among scope, time, cost and quality, stakeholders with different needs and expectations, identified requirements or what the project needs and unidentified requirements or what the project is expected to be. A project is a unique effort with a defined beginning and end, a specific deliverable and resources. Now, let's start project integration management.
Project integration management is an element of project management that coordinates all aspects of a project. Project integration, when properly performed, ensures that all processes in a project run smoothly. This includes the processes and activities needed to identify, define, combine, unify and coordinate the various processes and project activities within the project management process groups. Let's have a few seconds to sneak on the processes. Develop Project Charter is the process of developing a document that formally authorizes the existence of a project and provides the project manager with the authority to apply organizational resources to project activities. It initiates the project and is developed and authorized by the sponsor, not the project manager. The Project Charter is a single, consolidated source of information about the project in terms of initiation and planning. Basically, the Project Charter defines the boundaries of the project, no matter what type of project management methodology you are using. The next step is developing a project management plan. This is the process of defining, preparing and coordinating all subsidiary plans and integrating them into a comprehensive project management plan. How will I plan, manage and control scope, time, and cost for the project? Should be answered. Remember, this is not a Gantt chart and definitely needs a sign-off to start the project. The kickoff meeting is the first meeting with the project team and the client of the project. This meeting would follow definition of the base elements for the project and other project planning activities. This introduces the team and the client and provides the opportunity to discuss the role of each member. Other base elements in the project that involve the client may also be discussed at this meeting, like the schedule and status reporting and all other base elements. Clarity is given by the project lead if there is any ambiguity in the process implementations. There is a special discussion on the legalities involved in the project. For example, the design team interacting with the testing team may want a car to be tested on city roads. If the legal permissions are not mentioned by the concerned stakeholder during kickoff, the test may get modified later to comply with local traffic laws. This causes unplanned delay in project implementation. So, it would be best to have a discussion about this during the kickoff meeting and to follow it up separately, rather than to proceed on assumptions and later be forced to plan test procedures again. The process of performing the work as defined in the project management plan in order to achieve the project objectives will provide direction and management on the project execution. The project manager must respond appropriately to the daily situations, problems, issues and risks that may arise. Getting changes up front happens within the monitoring and controlling process group. Often such changes are approved and are implemented within this process.